Hi guys, so today I'm talking about one of the MAGISK module for our device. Okay, so uh, this is the module for the MAGISK, and you can install this module in any of your rooted device. The requirement is your device should be rooted, and the MAGISK module should be installed in your device. So I have clicked on the download option after opening the MAGISK module, and here we can see the most of the MAGISK module available to download in our device. So we have to find out that module, that is oxi dash ify. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so just click over here to download. Okay, so this is the means basically um, the feature of this module is that we can we can install and run many of the OnePlus 1 device application. That means oxygen OS applications in our device. Okay, so first I have clicked over here and the download is about to start, so we can wait for this. Okay, so guys, you can we can see that magisk module is about to complete uh, his installation. Okay, and okay, please, okay, so let's wait for some more time. Okay, so this is about to complete now, and once it will get complete we can get many of the options to install. So uh, wait for some more time. Okay, now, so the great feature of this application that we can install slow mode application, I mean slow mode camera also in our device. Okay, so we can see the magic has been installed already, and now it is about to install in the device. So we have a volume key, and using this key we can navigate yes or no option. So it is, so right now it is asking our permission. Okay, means it is optimizing its navigation key, and we have to control this navigation using the volume up and down key. So first of all we have to, it is asking, we have to click on the volume up that we can see on the screen, and now we have to click on the down. Oh, so we have, I have clicked it already. Okay, so using volume up and down key we can click on yes or no. So here the volume key is up and the volume down key is no. Okay, so first of all it is asking so right now it is asking for oxygen OS boot animation. Okay, so right now we have I have clicked I have clicked yes. Okay, so now it is asking for the OnePlus SLATE font. I have all allowed it. Means I have pressed volume up key. Now it is asking for the media option, like a OnePlus 1 media sound. There I clicked no, and again for the OnePlus gallery I have clicked yes again, and now we have option to install OnePlus 1 camera. Again volume up, that is for yes, and now the sound recorder no, and the weather and widget, that's a yes. And now OnePlus 1 launcher I have clicked on no, and now OnePlus 1 calculator I have pressed volume up key for yes, and now we have a yellow color reboot button here, so I have pressed here. Okay, so now we can see the all the application has installed, and now we can see the device rebooting here. And now let's check what are the applications that have installed in our device. So guys, there are so many features in this module. I have made more videos. Okay, so if you like this video you can also share your comment, and if you need some more videos about any other features, okay, or any other application, then you can mention on the comment box. And guys, if you like this video then you can um, subscribe to my channel also, and like this video and share also. So guys, now we can see that our device has been rebooted now. Okay, so yes, we can see here. Okay, uh, so I need to enter my password there because the device has rooted for the first time. Okay, so now we can see there are so many applications like OnePlus 1 camera, calculator, and OnePlus 1 widget also. So first of all, we will check the camera option. Here we have a OnePlus 1 camera, the video camera also. Okay, we have a slow motion option available in the camera. Okay, and now we can see weather and widget option also available. Okay, so it is running fine. And now we shall check calculator also for the OnePlus 1 device. Yes, we have a calculator also installed in the device. Okay, and we can check and we can see that it's a OnePlus 1 calculator. We can see OnePlus is equal to never settle. Okay, so this is the video, guys. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.